Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to talk about managing drawing units in AutoCAD. It's important to know the units of your drawing while working on AutoCAD. So AutoCAD units are most time what you should care about before starting any project. The default unit is set to millimeters. It's important to draw in AutoCAD using various units like inch, feet, millimeters, centimeters, kilometers, angstrom, etc. To change the units in AutoCAD, type unit in your keyboard and click enter. The following window should pop up. In this window, you can choose the appropriate unit that you want to work with. Go to the insertion scale and click on the arrow here. You can find a lot of type of unit if you want to work with, for example, feet, millimeters, centimeters. If, for example, you want to work with centimeters, click on centimeters. Now, the centimeters unit is the appropriate unit will be appear in your printing paper. Okay, it's also important to choose the length and the angle that you want work with, for example, the type and the precision. For the type of the length, you can work with decimal, which is the default unit defined in the AutoCAD drawing. You can choose or you can change this type, this style. You can work in, for example, you can work with engineering style, fractional or scientific. For example, we select engineering. Also with the precision, you can change the precision of your drawing in your unit, your length that you are working with. For example, with specific drawing, this one, select for example this one. Also for the angle, you can change the angle type, for example, decimal degree, grad, gradient, etc. Select grad, for example, and the precision of your angle. When you finish your modification, click OK. Yeah. Now the drawing unit is and the appropriate unit is all selected.